Hello and welcome back to our channel LogiClump Technologies. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: robotics. Robotics is a field that has revolutionized various industries and continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. In this video, we will delve into the world of robotics, exploring its history, applications, and the future it holds. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the fascinating world of robotics, let's start with the basics. What exactly is robotics? Well, robotics is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robots are machines that can perform tasks autonomously or with minimal human intervention. They can be found in various forms, from industrial robots to humanoid robots, and they have the potential to transform the way we live and work. Part 1: History of Robotics. To truly appreciate the advancements in robotics, we must understand its history. The concept of artificial beings dates back to ancient times, with early automatons and mechanical devices. However, the term robot was first introduced in a play by Karel Čapek in 1920. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and we witness the birth of modern robotics. One of the pioneering figures in robotics is George Devil, who invented the first industrial robot called the Unimate in the 1950s. This invention marked the beginning of robotics in manufacturing and automation. It revolutionized industries such as automotive assembly lines, where robots could perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency. Since then, robotics has made tremendous progress, with advancements in sensor technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. We now have robots that can navigate complex environments, interact with humans, and even learn from their experiences. The field of robotics has expanded into various domains, including healthcare, space exploration, agriculture, and entertainment. Part 2: Applications of Robotics. Now that we have a glimpse of robotics history, let's explore its applications in different industries. 1. Manufacturing industry. As mentioned earlier, robotics has revolutionized the manufacturing sector. Industrial robots are now commonly used in factories to perform tasks like assembly, welding, painting, and packaging. They enhance productivity, improve product quality, and ensure workers' safety by taking over repetitive and hazardous tasks. 2. Healthcare. In the healthcare industry, robots have shown tremendous potential. Surgical robots, for instance, assist doctors in performing precise and minimally invasive procedures. They offer enhanced dexterity and visualization, reducing risks and improving patient outcomes. Additionally, robots are being used for rehabilitation, elderly care, and even for providing emotional support to patients. 3. Exploration and research. Robots have become essential tools for exploring environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans. In space exploration, rovers like NASA's Curiosity have provided valuable data about Mars. Underwater robots, called remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, help us study the depths of our oceans. In research, robots are used to conduct experiments, collect data, and assist scientists in various fields. 4. Agriculture. Agricultural robots, also known as agrobots, are transforming farming practices. They can perform tasks such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crop health. These robots use sensors and machine learning algorithms to optimize crop yields, reduce resource wastage, and minimize the use of chemicals. This leads to sustainable and efficient farming practices. These are just a few examples of how robotics is impacting different industries. The possibilities are vast, and as technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications. Part 3: Challenges and ethical considerations. While robotics offers incredible potential, it also presents challenges and raises important ethical considerations. 1. Job displacement. One concern is the potential displacement of human workers by robots. As automation increases, certain jobs may become obsolete. However, history has shown that new technologies also create new job opportunities. It is crucial to focus on upskilling and reskilling the workforce to adapt to the changing landscape. 2. Ethical use of AI. With the integration of artificial intelligence into robotics, questions arise regarding ethics and responsibility. How do we ensure that AI-powered robots make ethical decisions? It becomes essential to establish guidelines and frameworks for the development and deployment of autonomous systems to prevent misuse and promote transparency and accountability. 3. Privacy and security. As robots become more connected and intelligent, concerns regarding privacy and security emerge. Robots may collect and store vast amounts of data, raising questions about data protection and cybersecurity. It is crucial to implement robust security measures and safeguards to protect sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access. 4. Human-robot interaction. Creating robots that can effectively interact with humans is a complex challenge. We need to design robots that are user-friendly, capable of understanding human emotions and respecting cultural differences. Ensuring a harmonious coexistence between humans and robots requires careful consideration of human-centric design principles. Part 4. The future of robotics. As we look to the future, the potential of robotics seems limitless. 1. Advancements in AI and machine learning. Continued advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning will enable robots to become even more intelligent and adaptive. They will be capable of learning from their experiences, improving their performance, and adapting to new situations. This will unlock new possibilities and applications in various industries. 2. Collaborative robots. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside humans. They are equipped with sensors and safety features that allow them to interact with humans safely. Cobots will enable increased human-robot collaboration, enhancing productivity and efficiency in workplaces. 3. Robotics in everyday life. In the future, we can expect robotics to become a part of our everyday lives. We may have domestic robots that assist with household chores, companion robots that provide companionship and support, and even personal robots tailored to individual needs. These robots will enhance our daily lives and help us achieve a better work-life balance. 4. Advancements in mobility and manipulation. Robotics will witness advancements in mobility and manipulation capabilities. Robots will become more agile, capable of navigating complex terrains and performing intricate tasks with precision. This will have implications in areas such as search and rescue operations, construction, and exploration. In conclusion, robotics is a field that has come a long way and continues to shape the world we live in. From industrial automation to healthcare assistance, from exploring distant planets to transforming agriculture, robots have become indispensable in various domains. While challenges exist, the future of robotics holds immense promise and potential. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of robotics. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.